Okay. Let's see. This is working. Okay, sound is good. It's looking all right. Looks pretty good. Okay, can close that. Actually, I guess I should get the link. Whatever. Oops. Okay. This is looking good. I'll worry about Discord later. Okay, let's see. I need to open up chat. Okay. I need to fix this object. Let's set the position. Just see what 10 is. Real quick. It should be 10 pixels down, 10 right. But it's not there. It's also... I'm going to do 100 just to see maybe the scale is pushing it really far away. And it's not even here. Okay. So I'm not sure. where it's rendering. Or if it's rendering at all. There should be though. There must be something happening. Okay. Okay, let's see. What can I do? So what I'm drawing with is this shader, this one and this one. Put that here. Okay, we got these two shaders. Is this causing issues? I guess I can try to get the texture ID. See if it's... I'm just gonna set it to 0 for now. Eliminate that error, because I know 0 is going to be error texture. I should really set this to 1. I don't see anything. Nice. Not good. What if we set it to 100 maybe? Okay, let's set the scale to negative, see if that shows anything. Let's just go do some testing. Oh, wait, what is that? We got a white box. Holy shit. Oh, that. Oh, that's interesting. That's really interesting. Okay, let's set this to this, and now let's... An idea. Seemingly did not work. Something's wrong with my positioning. There we go. Why is that happening? Oh my god, is it always there? Let's just go to 10. Does that just change the size of it? No, it's just gone. Huh. That is strange. So this is a UI object. You can see that by... It's not supposed to move in world space, so this is moving. These question marks are moving world space. This is moving on camera space, like the UI space, the screen space. That's why I meant screen space. As you can see, it's not. It's always in the same position. even though it should have snapped the bottom left, but we fixed that. First of all, I have to fix the positioning because it's scuffed. And the reason it was white and it changed color to this. Let's just do let's bring this back. See if now that I can see it, let's see if it's actually showing the right texture. Okay, it is. There you go. It's supposed to be showing a 1. But the positioning of it is still scuffed. Why? -5, -4. -900, -800. Is that from that side of the screen? It seems that I have my renderers. Where is it? This thing. Seems that this is scuffed. But in fact, it's more that. Where is it? Oh, wait. I bet it's base shader. This thing. Create. I think it's supposed to be this. Oh my god. Okay, it's still there. It shouldn't. Wait, when is this happening? It's a projection. This isn't supposed to be doing it for UI shader. This is not right for UI shader. So wall projection. Wait, what was that do? Camera. So this is just the camera. This is just the camera one. Oh my god. This is just camera. This is projection. Right, it's negative. So it's not supposed to be negative. Okay, well, where is it? Maybe it is supposed to be negative? I think it's too large. Let's do 10. I seemingly have broken it. 5140. Hmm. $80.80. Minus 51, minus 40. Oh. Okay, it's not here. What could be the fucking problem? I mean, I know it's because I'm. Should be here now. No. Okay, wait, what? Did I have this to minus when I did this? Okay, now I'm not sure what's happening. Did I have this to minus 100? I did, right, because it's minus 100 because it's so small. It gets so small when you zoom it out, like here. All these entities are scaled by the ortho by this value. So when I resize the screen, they are all scaled 100x larger. I guess it's 100x larger compared to what it's supposed to be, which makes them appear bigger because these are 8x8 pictures, right? And when, see, the UI is not supposed to scale with the map, but it is. But when you get to a point like negative 100, you suddenly have the same size but in reverse. And I need it to be I don't want it to scale based on the ortho size, which is what we're moving this should have done. But it seems that I need to when does this get called? On resize? So UI projection. How am I like? And we don't care about these ones. It's just this that was doing it. So we go in here. Do I need to give it like negative width? Something's wrong here. Five times by 100. No, that would be weird. That would make it smaller. This is the Z projection, Z clip. Yeah. Oh my leg. did they have it like this? That's not the right fucking... Yeah, I was gonna say that's not the right option. With control, with control. Still on negative. I'm gonna add something that'll make it easy to tell if anything's rendering anyway, which is geo color, clear color. So impact performance, but that's fine. Let's do 5 hours. Now we should have a... There we go. Now you can tell easy if something's rendering. That has a... Because everything's opaque at the moment. There's no transparency. So now we know if something's transparent or rendering. A lot easier. You just have to look for a black square. Like I said, it's going to impact performance a bit because you're setting all the pixels from here to this color. Which we're going to fix that by just rendering a background UI object. Basically, oh, hello. Okay, say this is the screen. We're currently rendering. See here, this is what happens. To gain more performance, we have to get rid of these two. But when these two are gotten rid of, we get visual ghosting because the screen's not getting cleared. To fix that, we have to render something on the entire of the screen. So that's why skyboxes exist. See, you see this? If I add entities, I go move to the left. It's like this ghosting thing. That right there. That's what happens when you don't have GeoClear. Having GeoClear clears the entire render buffer, so it makes it empty. Oh, the color buffer, I guess. It's good if you want to make something simple, but if you don't want to lose this performance here, you have to render. So say this is your screen. You have to render like, what is happening? Why is it frozen? You have to render something for the entire screen. So, for example, we're going to render a red square the entirety of the screen width. Just stretch it all the way out. Just one pixel that's the same color. You set it to like black or something, which gives you your background. So now you have a 2D skybox, which is your background. And you can just set it to whatever texture you want. You can just make it repeat or make it like go to the middle, and the rest would be black. You do whatever you want. But the point is, once you render this texture, it's one draw call. Well, not even. It's going to be one draw call, but if you batch it, it's basically no draw calls because you're going to draw everything at the same time. But you draw this background first. Then, I mean, it's what, like 1, 2, 3. Oh, you know, I should probably got this one point here, another point. Hello? What? Oh, paint.net's crashing. Okay, and then you draw this triangle, and you do the same from this side. So now you have two triangles, you can put your texture on that. And you're drawing one quad instead of clearing the entire color buffer and replacing it with another color, which is a lot easier to do computationally. You won't have to loop over the entire screen and just fill it, So it's just easy performance. Anyways, I gotta figure out why this is not on screen. Let's make it 10. I don't see anything. So let's just change it to 1010. And we're gonna move it around. See anything? Not exactly. I'm gonna set this to -10. -140. Set this to positive, set this to -10. I'm so glad that this compiles so fast. You have to fucking wait 6 years for Unity to fucking load up. You know what I'm saying? It's fucking very nice, very quick. Although I don't understand why I can't see my texture with this transform. Okay, we're gonna try something. I'm gonna set the 1010 times by scale. Just why not? Alright, you know what? I'll make a scale super fucking big. Sorry for the cuss, but wow, still nothing. That's crazy. What if we set a position to -1010? Okay. Even wait. Wait. Is it because of this? I need to check something. It's supposed to go from -1. Oh wait, I can try this. Nothing. Also nothing. This is very interesting. I do have one thing I could check. Because I added this UI rendering before, and I had it working like I wanted it to. So I can look up my change logs. Look for something to do with UI, console UI. Texture render on GUI comments. Image. Is this where? No, it's not where I did image. Where did I add image? in here. So look at my renderer here. I should have. I don't. UI vertex. Sometimes this. Texture coordinates or texture vector. Okay. Am I doing this? I might not be doing this. I need to check. I should be doing this. Wait. Wait. 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. Where's my fucking... shit. Where's my... I need to look at this file. If you don't get up. Expand. Okay. 6, 7. Okay, these are 6, 7s. Okay. No, that's fine. That's actually the UV. But did I not have a position setter? Like a rect that would... Okay, create vertices combine. Where is it? Star updated spot. Oh, come on. This file can't be that fucking big. Jesus. Combine. Loop combine. Last position.x. I swear I added something here. I times it by scale, didn't I? That's something, right? Position type plus size. Shouldn't this get times by scale as well? Fuck, I don't remember. I think this needs to be times by scale. It's a static. Fuck. So this might be why we're not seeing anything. Okay. Does Vector not have a... That's interesting. I thought Vector would have this. Timesing vector by vector? Huh. I mean, it does. What? Is this actually an issue? Is this gonna times the size first? Ah, fuck. I hate maths. We gotta add these first. Okay, this should probably work. Oh, never mind. Nice. This is very interesting. We don't need those. Am I even using this? Nope. Not using this. Not using this. Scale is 0 here. What the fuck? Can't be timesing by 0. It shouldn't matter for that scale, but just in case. Okay, that still works. Oh my god, we have a 1. Holy crap, so it was there the entire time, it was just a fucking pixel. God damn it. Okay, now we have to... This will flip it the right way. Or is it gonna flip it? Oh, it's flipped it to that side. But also flipped it. Okay, we're just gonna not flip it. Right, bottom, top. Okay, do we want it to be from bottom left? That makes sense though, right? Because then you have, this is your 0. This is your full width. This is your full height. Oh, there, that's your full height. This is your full height and width. I just need to flip the image, which is really easy. I just need to go into here, here. So this one is wrong. Let's actually do an enum facing. Let's do this facing up, and then this will be and then I just need all of these. So let's say this one is the down one that we're currently on. So this would be rotated 180, rotated 90 NT. Okay. Let's see if that fixed it. Oh, hey, Runes. How you doing? Hey, it did. Okay, now let's increase the scale just by 100 so we can actually see it. And it's gone. Why is it gone? What happened to it? Oh, it's up here. Oh, that's not right. Why is it up there? I think I'm doing something wrong. Why is that? Wait, hold on. Is this why? Because I screwed my scales up. Is this why this is not visible anywhere? Oh no, that's centered now. Now it's not centered. Why isn't it centered when I resize? It should be. See, look, on resize callback. Set position. Is this not getting called? Let's do it. Let's look at the debug. UI task set position. There you go. And actually, let's just do a owner.name. Whoa. Set position UI1. Okay, this. Okay, it didn't get called. We don't have it in the log. Okay, so this for some reason it's not getting called back. Why is this not getting recalled? Did I remove this function? Is that what happened? Internal resize. Oh. Nice. Why is this not getting called back now? Did I just decide? Right, because I should be doing it from the shaders itself. It should be something like this. Because the shaders are what's doing the rendering now, not the renderer. If that makes any sense. So, like you can see here, here's the lists of like all the rendering components, and let me use the hash set in case I get the same one. And there could be thousands of them. So if I want to remove one, it would be fast to just remove by reference than looping through the list and finding it. Anyways, create a buffers, detach draw. So here we're going to put public void on resize and height width. I'll grab these, do this, internal. Render doesn't have resize yet. Okay. We'll fix that. And resize. That's a bit annoying though. Let's have I want an internal one. Should probably just have an internal render. Let's do an internal render. Go internal render. This will go internal. I'm doing internals, so for one reason I'll show you in a second. So here we have our on resize. Let's get the internal on resize. Internal on resize is going to call on resize. Okay, don't know why that. And the same with internal render. Basically, what this will give me is the fact that if somebody overrides this class, or not overrides, but inherits from it, this method gets called once. And if they make this like a virtual, which doesn't support in this case, but because it's a sealed class. Well, for example, this is the same for entities, like here. This is my example application. And this is my, see, I'm overriding entity here. Entity has a bunch of functions or methods. They have internal this that calls the start. This lets me, okay, whoops. Let's go to game object. Here, I don't have to do base.start. I don't have to do this because start is just this method and nothing happens. Nothing happens on the back end in start, so I don't have to do that ever. There's probably better ways to do this, but I only have to call internal this, which gets called by the manager, which is where you create your entities. I don't have to call it here, and this calls the actual start method that gets called back in here. Like I can show you a slug. What the fuck? Let's look at debug. Object start. This also, it's not getting called anywhere else, you can see. Just these two in entity inside the engine. And we are using game objects and here. Are we using them here? We are using them here, so this should run anyways. And is errors, why is errors? I haven't, alright. That's not what I want. What's happening? Did I miss? Hold on. I fucked something up. Internal render. Did I misspell this? Huh? Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna use this one, and that's not supposed to be in debug. Whoa, shit. Let's actually just put this up here where it used to be. Let's just replace this one. Not sure what's happening here. Is it because I... Whatever. So this should be an iRender. Oh, members or main members. This is one. Actually, this is 0. We're not with just. I have to have this as a render if I want to use that. This can be a public, just not to be none of this shit. Same with this. This together. This basically just means it's setting it to the same one. Wait. Just realized something. That might be an issue. Nice different textures. I'm using the same shader class, same reference. Which might be an issue. Because I actually haven't tried. Nah, I don't think it is. I think it's smart on the back end. I think it knows how to fix that, which is good. Yeah, I think I'm fine. Never mind. This doesn't do anything. This does need to do something. Let's do this. Actually, just go on resize. Just do this. This still has resize. Do I need that? Do I need to know the resize on components? I don't think I do. Because they're not rendering anything, right? On components that are not rendering, I don't think I need to know the resize callback. Just gonna nuke it for now. This doesn't get called anywhere. And again, this does not need to be. Wait, what? It's gonna be called twice, what the fuck? Go to that. This doesn't need to do anything. And it didn't work. Funny. Why didn't that work? I guess I should look up attach. Emmons shader attach. I need to do that. There we go. We centered a square. Okay. I'm just gonna. I am gonna do a shader dot. Just want that attach. This. Quad count. Which is 0. And I am actually going to push this to GitHub because I did break it a bit ago and I want it to be fixed. So this doesn't. What the fuck? Why is that up there? Just save this. That's good. That's fine. Actually, oh, it's a hash set. Is there a better way to loop for hash sets? Fastest way. Okay, whatever. Okay, UI render fixes. Fix the UI. Very nice. Okay, now I need to fix my line renderer, which I think the normal line renderer is working, but I had some issues, so let's see. Okay, let's do. I have this here. Copy this, pardon me. I'm gonna jump it into here. This is currently using line. That's fine. Let me just needs to be an eye renderer. Oh, this isn't even using the new white rendering. Fuck. I need to bring up texture renderer. Okay, because I need to make some quads, right? No, I don't. I just need 2 points. Okay. I don't need to create anything. So I don't need this. I don't need to bind anything. I don't need to draw anything. I don't need any of this. Don't need this. Although, nah. Don't need this. Don't need this. This could be useful. I'll comment this out. Don't need these. Don't need the shader data. Well, actually, that could be useful. Let's just do this for now. Don't need this. This will be quad count. Not quads, though. They're half a quad. What's that then? Just say 1, I don't know. Okay. Doesn't need to be unsafe for now. It's down here. We're deleting all our arrays, setting the length. Don't know if it's dirty. Quad count, shader. Internal render, oh. That was gonna happen. Okay, triple those. No one does. I am listening to Eminem in the background, so I might start singing his lyrics. So I only need RGB data, the Z position. Let's look at my line renderer, line shader. Okay, so we have. Oh, it's just vertex, right? Whoops. So it is just this. Offset. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2. I guess we'll draw a square. Guess we're just gonna draw a quad. Which, if we're doing that, you know what? This is fine for now. You know, I should have just copied this. And this count plus equals 6. Okay. So we're setting the position doing this. So we have a rect. Do we not have a vector for color? Let's just make it red. UVs. We could technically get a texture renderer here. I think I need a texture that's just a white dot. I need an error texture. I need a texture that's white dot. I think I need a atlas of all my engine textures. 64 by 64. Let's do this for now. Excuse me? It's a fucking picture. Okay, so I have these two, which I made. This is going to be for transparent. This is for opaque, which I haven't added yet. We have our numbers, which are just all transparent. Just can't even, I can barely fucking see myself. It's actually one too high. 8, 8, 8. Now we have 8. Okay, second row, we're just gonna do an 8 by 8. This is pure white. It's gonna be pure white so we can move it around. I'm gonna put it to engine assets, textures. What the fuck was that extension? No, we don't need these. I don't want this wall texture. Now, just for parity's sake, we're gonna go to 120 by 120. I'll load this up. This will be a texture one. Just so you guys can see, I guess I'll do. There you go. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess I could go all the way up to like. To 9, I guess. Doesn't really matter. Actually, I do need to do this on this. Engine assets. Assets. Call it assets. Oh, engine. And now let's look for all of these. We're just gonna go and grab this one. This will be engine. We don't need this because this is already loaded somewhere. This and load engine. And we're gonna do from this is 0, 0, 0, 8, 8, 0, 16, 0, and then it's 8 by 8. So this should be number 1. The be back by the dog with an accent. So asking the same fucking questions. Then I just raised something. Yep. Wait, what? That's not it. Hmm? fuck? Let's just get the default question mark. Actually, we're gonna start from 8. So it's the opaque one. Yeah. Why is there an error? What is the error? Holy fuck. Right. Line renderer. The thing I was working on. Of course. Right, rect is my own class, so I can fix this. I'm gonna grab this. This is called overloader operating. Overloading operator in C#. Very useful, very controversial, I guess, because you can do the same with equals like this, and you can do. If I would go back to line renderer, I could do. If test is equal to pause, I can do this, which is good. But if you do the same thing with like an object, this still should work. Object. All right. That's what it's telling me. No, we don't know if B is rect B. B is not a rect. Actually, let's just return false. And then we can do rect B. Like this is you can overload stuff like this, and basically when you overload an object, it's not good practice because you can do something like this now. Well, non-rex, but if this was a class, right? If this was class entity, you can do entity is equal to null, which is what Unity does. And it's confusing because you don't exactly know what could be happening behind the scenes when you overload. I just need the right one. Yeah, when you overload an operator, you're hiding code. Not a good sign sometimes. Anyways, this should be working. Oh, this needs to return. Fuck. Do I have vector extensions? Ignore this. No, we don't need this. Don't use that anywhere. Anyways. Just loading the operator? No. Okay. Details. So public static vector rect. Right. I know why it's being weird now. Wait, what am I even doing here? X with X. Okay, I mean, that's fine. Right, because this is technically a vector 2 with some extra data. Hold on. How are they doing this? Right, because it's a vector 2. The first one, right, so this is using this pos the x times by scale dot x plus the y, and then let's just say 0f. We're not using z in this case. This we're adding size to the x. Here we're adding size to both of them. Here we're adding size to just the y. This is basically the coordinates of, so we have our coordinates, right? Just say we have a grid here. We have coordinate 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, and then 2, 2. So these are our 4 coordinates, and these are all length of 1. So this is 1. This is the plus 1, 1 up here. This one. So this is the coordinate 1, 1 of each other. And depending on the x, so this is, obviously that x, this is y. So this is how far along on the x we are, at x position. That way, and this is our y position. So we just add those together, we get this point. Then we add 1 to each point, times it by our scale. So if our scale is 10, we add 10. So then it'll be like all the way up there. I think that makes sense. Cool. It's shady. I'm back. So now we can actually, we have a line renderer that makes a rectangle, square, I don't know, whichever, basically. And we can easily set the position of. And shit, what's this? UVs. Right, a texture. Like rect UVs. Let's just do it was 0, 8, and then 8, 8. This is our white texture. So we do our UVs, and then texture 0, which should be the first texture, or it could be texture 1. Oh, it's right. This is a vector 2. And we're just gonna abuse the sprite. Actually, we're just gonna use the sprite on the line render itself. 0888 facing, it doesn't matter. For this case, does not matter. Then we have our sprite.color. Oh. Guess we still have a color. Do we really not have? I guess we not. Yes, I should probably move that to okay. I'm not fucking making it anywhere. God damn it. I don't need this anymore. Okay, I need to create this. Actually, let's just let's see if this will work. That's the thing. Wow. For each line renderer, we're gonna do attach. Oh, are you? Base shader. I need to do this right. Line renderer. Shader. Attach this. Okay. Not every frame. Detach this. Count. Just add some invocations. I mean, null checks. Just in case. Oh. Why did that happen? Awake. Load shader line. We're never loading line. Why line render? I guess we're never loaded up line. UI line. We are loading up line. Huh? Shader UI line. Oh, we're changing the shader down here. Let's just keep it as line. So we don't actually need to do any of this. Or this. Just gonna keep that for now. So a bunch of entities. There's our opaque texture working. Lines. Oh fuck, are they really far out here? I'm not going that far. I moved way too slow. Okay, let's think about this. I'm gonna transfer position to okay. Let's just set this to 0, 0. This for now. Jesus Christ. What? Something's not right. My Visual Studio just crashed. What the fuck? What just happened? Something just freaked out. Is it still running in the background? No. Maybe? I don't know what just happened. So got analytics, free entities, 2 draw calls. Okay, that makes sense. There's the UI lines. That's fine. Let's fix this. Why is it so big? Am I just hard coding this? Kind of. Trying to figure out. Oh, right. I'm setting it to the same. Wait, what? Lines is equal to this. We're creating an entity. Boy, what? Just gonna remove this part. Don't care. Oh shit. Can't do it in a static. Or it doesn't need to be a static. Dix was outside of bounds. Oh, right. We can just enter it here. What now? Oh. At the instance. This is interesting. I don't know if it's interesting, actually. I'm confused. Let's add some entities. The scale could be fucking with me really badly. I just realized. Why is the scale 10 for it? Disposition. Still what we want. Just needed to. Wait, it's the same owner. This is the owner. The renderers. We get the renderer owner, which is this guy. Fucking hell. Let's make sure that our also scale is just in case. And while we're at it, just let's reset that. Campus XY. Am I doing something wrong with OpenGL? I might be. Let's see. I'm not. Interesting. You know what's crazy is that I'm only using here. Oh, okay, well, you know what? I'll just sorry for the flashbang, guys. Here, you can see the memory and CPU usage of this, and it's so low. And let's add let's go up to 1,000. Okay, this is what I meant with the scale, the author size of the camera. The UI object is staying the same while everything else that's getting looped is getting smaller. Anyways, I mean the frames went down obviously, but we're drawing 3 different types of entities. The UI, the line renderer, and the world objects with 3 different shaders, although I'm not sure what the lines are. We'll figure that out. I mean, I'm streaming. My PC's really bad. Like, if you look at this guy, not great. So the fact that it's only using 25% of my CPU, I'm not sure why it's locked to 25. But it's 600 megabytes, 60 megabytes of memory with 1,000 entities. That's basically how much you're gonna see at once in the world. It's very good. It's very low mem at the moment. But we'll work on it. The mem's gonna go up, obviously. Performance is gonna go down. But it's not a big issue at the moment. Performance is looking good. And this is a debug build. The release build does not have all this UI stuff. All of this doesn't have this stuff. That's from MGUI, which is like a rendering solution. Well, not a rendering solution. It's like a. Just look up Dear I'm GUI like this. Dear I'm GUI. You got this. It's just some UI that you can really quickly make get to render. It's very good. But we fixed. Actually, let's just discard this one. Engine assets, PNG, spreadsheet. Let's do the fuck. Work most lines. With the line renderer, I could honestly use the UI. Yeah, I just need to use the UI shader. Why do I have two different shaders? I don't need a line renderer shader. I need to stop this first. I don't need this. I just need the UI. Because the line renderer is the same as just normal. It just works slightly different. So we're going to get rid of this. We're going to set the line renderer to use. We're going to add this back in. We're going to do this. We're going to change to UI. Okay. Line not loaded. Alright, because we're loading it up here. Don't need these two. Okay. Line not found. Why is it loading line? Oh, this is default. Anywhere else? Are we loading line anywhere else? Oh my god, what the fuck are we loading line? Did I not? It's default, what do you mean? Okay, now that we're rendering it with this shader, I guess start is getting called. Wait, no, that calls awake. Start shouldn't be called yet. You know what, we're gonna shader that's detach this quad count and shader dot attach just in case. And actually we're gonna create lines before this. See if it fixes anything. It did not. Great. Wait, they could be really small. Because I'm not scaling it to... I'm not scaling it to this guy. So let's return line render. Let's undo all this. Let's do return lines. Let's go back here. Let's do... entity dot... I actually realized that this is not the same owner. Oh, that was actually just stupid. You sent for me. This looks like on top of me, so everybody just follow me. So a little controversy, 'cause it feels so empty without me. Said this looks like on top of me. Everybody just follow me, 'cause I need a little controversy. Hey. Okay, texture's right. I am just gonna modify this. Let's just start at 0, 0. Maybe something's wrong with the texture. No. Still can't see it. Do I have wireframe enabled? Fuck's sake. Oh, wait. I just said this. You Yeah, I'm just stupid sometimes. Look at you load of I don't want to play Minecraft right now. Gotta figure this out first. Plus, I was on that earlier. I don't know if you're still here. Oh, you are. I was on earlier, just went through the nether a bit. Got a shitload of spawners. Is this working? Color is supposed to be red. I'm wondering if it's rendering below the texture, maybe. So what I could do is add this guy before him. Yeah, I already downloaded the pack. It's not doing it. Yeah, sure, I'll come play. I'll figure this out later. Just push my changes. Alright, there's one thing I want to test. Okay, well, it's not exactly working, but it's supposed to change the mode of the wireframe. But for some reason it's going off instantly. Oh, I know why, because it's hitting it 3 times. So I set it on. Why is this so confusing? If the state is equal to press, then we're gonna toggle it. Wireframe is equal to the opposite of wireframe. It's still the same exact fucking behavior. You know what? Right at the bottom, just add a nice S-log to debug. Where's my... Just realized, why is my UI thing invisible now? Is it because of this? Huh. Because my lines were on top of it and were making it visible. Or... My lines are invisible? What? Whatever. Wireframe true. But it's clearly fucking not. I mean, it's true, but it's not setting it to true. Am I calling it elsewhere? Here once. Okay, I don't know. Ah, that was fucking loud. Alright. Let's just do this. Alright, I'm hoping that they see